why these people are leaving? Are we not allowed? So Google Map is showing outer ring road, and why are they collecting the toll tax? I don't understand. For a two-wheeler, we never pay a two-wheeler toll tax. I guess I have no other option. I have to pay these people, or else he won't allow me to pass. How much is he collecting for a two-wheeler? It's 20. They're collecting a 20 rupees for a two-wheeler toll tax here in Bangalore. If I choose a service road, I don't think so. It will be completely jammed with the traffic. I won't pass. If after rain, it's completely different. Everything looks beautiful. A riding experience. The road has so neat and clean, shiny look, and the bends and turns excites the riding experience more. If it's a straight road, we don't get much interest to ride. Here it's raining. I don't know why. It's summer. Every day it's raining in Bangalore. So whenever it rains, we feel like it's raining. Why don't we feel like drinking water is coming? During school days, we used to feel it's rain. Okay, we go there, holiday. But now things have changed. We have to find a rain. Bro, it's just in a few minutes. It's a jam again. This is why they have collecting the toll. These trucks, they have jammed everything. Everything has fallen because of the rain. And this under construction road. And why are they collecting the toll tax for this road? There's no safety, no signboards. I guess I have to sue them. I have to get my money back. But nobody has the time. No goes and blah blah blah. Who wants to fight with me? Even if he does, if we do, they will find some other reasons, stupid reasons. Let's see where this thing goes. We'll be back after some time.